Now we can study some more deeply how can we convert millimeter into centimeter or centimeter into millimeter. How can we convert? Here 0, here 1 centimeter, then this will be 2 centimeter. Is it clear? Then we have studied this is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3, 4, 5 millimeter, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is, here will be 10 millimeter. So, here will be 20 millimeter. That is equal to 2 centimeter and this will be equal to 1 centimeter. So, here will be 5 centimeter. Okay, here will be 15 millimeter. Not 5 centimeter, 55 millimeter. Okay, not centimeter. This is millimeter. 5 millimeter and 15 millimeter. So we know that here 1. Then this is half. Clear? So we can say half centimeter is equal to 5 millimeter. Okay. Then this we can write it as, we all know that half is equal to 0.5. Half is equal to 0.5 centimeter. That is equal to 5 millimeter. So 0.1 centimeter will be 1 millimeter. Is it clear? 0.5 is equal to 5 millimeter. 0.1 centimeter will be 1 millimeter. So we can say 0.2 centimeter will be 2 millimeter. Then 0.3 centimeter will be 3 millimeter. Okay. Then 0.4 centimeter is equal to 4 millimeter. Like that way, 0.9 centimeter will be 9 millimeter. So we can say 1.0 that is equal to 1 itself. 1.0, the value of 1.0 that is equal to 1 itself. Okay, there is no meaning. After decimal 1 0 is there, no use at all. So we can say 1.0 is equal to 1 itself. So we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That we found here actually. Okay. We know that. So here 1.1 centimeter will be 11 millimeter. Is it clear? So 2.8 centimeter will be 28 millimeter. Clear, children? Then 1.9 centimeter will be 19 millimeter. Okay. If it is 25.9 centimeter, we can write it as 259 millimeter. Avoid this 1 decimal point. Okay. Now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Then 20 millimeter will be 2 centimeter. Okay, that is 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeter. So 1 will be 200 millimeter will be 20 centimeter. Actually, we are dividing this by 10. 200 divided by 10, that is 20. 20 divided by 10, 2. 10 divided by 10, 1 itself, that is 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So actually we can divide millimeter dividing by 10. We will get centimeter. Okay. So here 400 millimeter is equal to 4 centimeter. Is it clear? Then 425 millimeter will be 42.5 centimeter. 42.5, 1 decimal point will be there. Then 389 millimeter, we can write it as 38.9 centimeter. Okay. Keep a digit after this decimal point. Only 1 digit. Okay. Now we have converted the counting numbers into millimeter or centimeter. Okay. We know 1 millimeter, 0.1 centimeter. We have studied that. Then 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So we can write half centimeter will be 5 millimeter. Then quarter centimeter will be 2.5 millimeter. Then 3/4 will be the sum of these two. That is, if it is 1, here will be half, here will be quarter, this will be 3/4. Actually, this 3/4 is equal to the sum of these two. Quarter, then this one. Up to here quarter, then half also will be there. Okay, this one half, then this quarter. So we will get 3/4. So 3/4 centimeter, 3/4 centimeter will be equal to 7.5. Why? Because up to here it is 5. Then this one quarter means 2.5. Then this will be 2, 0, 2.5, 5, 7.5, then 10. Like that way it is coming. So this is quarter, then half, 3/4, 1. Okay. Here once more. Here it is quarter, half, 3/4, 1. This is 10. Okay. This is 10. So we can write this will be 5. This will be half of 5, 2.5. Then this will be 5 and 2.5. So that will be 7.5. Clear? Don't forget 0.1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. 0.2 will be 2 millimeter and so on. Okay. I think you got some ideas about centimeter and millimeter. Now we can do some works related with this centimeter and millimeter. Okay.